smelling them as soon as we got out of the truck. They were smelling them. They're around here.
Yeah.
That thing go off by itself or? Oh, back there, like, you know, this kind of shit for us.
Yeah, shoot this big fat one here. We'll have him in a minute. This one-eyed black fine hound here.
You go in that chili pot.
Yeah, I bet they'll quail pretty smart on here. I bet they get back in the woods quick.
Where you want to run that little, down that strip? What do you think?
Yeah, I think we can.
You want to go farther?
I think we can go. Can we will we come back out though?
Then you go up and come around behind that pond. Yeah. Looks like they've been around here. I mean, much they're sniffing.
Okay.
I think they're around. They're just...
Johnny said the cover's so big this year up in Texas. He lost that so round dog fly. The whole point is to cut the fly. He said, you know, when he's out, it's, you know, like when he's running. Pretty well to open, didn't we?
Yeah.
Pretty well. I mean, would that be in the edge of the woods? We'd be coming in and out.
We just couldn't miss that day. Well, that's great.
And then the dogs were always climbing the edge. I mean, where are they? Well, I can't see them. Well, it's bad for your sight to go and you start thinking, well, I don't know. I was up at the country club. They had a class reunion thing, and it was 73s or 72s with the Large Miller and Melissa Smith and all them. Roper was there. Yeah. But I thought I was hard to hear and he can't hear either. So I thought, yeah.
What's he doing?